while using any operating system, we basically have two functionalities. The first one is GUI, which stands for Graphical User Interface. Anything we do on Windows, like refreshing the system, like like making a folder, everything is GUI. That stands for Graphical User Interface. The second functionality, which is more good if you want to expand your knowledge of how operating system is working, is the CLI, which stands for Command Line Interface. For command line interface, you basically have to need some you have to know some commands. We In this video we are going to learn about some basic commands of Linux, like probably 20 of commands. So without wasting further more time, let's jump onto the screen. So basically, we are going to learn some basic commands. Let's start. The first command is pwd. Actually, where are we now? The current directory is called is determined from the command pwd. Let's pwd. If you type, you'll see that we are in home, and under that directory there is a Prashant, which is my name, directory, and we are under the Prashant, who is the user. The second command is used to list all the items under a directory, which is the ls command. Ls command. Here you can see that there are abhi, desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos using Chef Solo, and so on. These are the directories under the uh, like under the Prashant directory. Here I am, Prashant, pwd. Okay. The third command I want to tell is like let's create a folder, because we will do anything regarding that in the folder only. So let's create a folder. We can do that by mkdir. Mkdir stands for make directory. Mkdir folder name, let's say uh, eat and code. A directory is created. How can we see that? Again, ls. Here you can see that EatandCode. We learned about pwd, we learned about ls, we learned about mkdir, which is used to make directory. The fourth command, let's say we want to go under the directory we just created, EatandCode. How can we do that? We can do that by cd and the folder name eat and code. cd stands for change directory. Going from one directory to another directory will be done from this cd command. If you type, we can see that we are under EatandCode directory. Okay. Here we can do things like let's say one more command is touch. What happens when we touch something? If you touch water, then something happens. The water, like like what? Changes. Like there are some. So basically, if we touch water, we see that something happens. Okay, and same like if we touch and let's say write like what, like tech journey dot txt is the extension for uh, txt file, text file. Enter. And if we do ls, we can see that here under the eat and code, we are not seeing that these files, these directories, because we are under the eat and code. And under the eat and code, we just made a text file .txt file which is named as takejourney.txt. If we want to go inside that file, we can use vim tech journey tech journey.txt. Here, after entering I, shift I, we go into the insert mode, which is basically like for entering anything, like blah blah. Okay, I've copied some text already before making this tutorial. Let me paste that. Oh, I'm not getting that. Just a minute. uh, let's copy this. Sorry. And the commands like ctrl-v and ctrl-c doesn't work on Ubuntu or Linux. Okay, so we can do it by click or like using shift button. I think this is a blog. You can see that I wrote this blog, Prashant Mishra. You can like this blog or read this blog. uh, in the description I'll give the link. This is basically how I moved from mechanical engineering to the computer science branch. You will like it. You can give it a look. Okay, let's save it. For saving, you should enter esc, escape button, then semicolon, w and q. It will be saved and exited. Okay, now if we do cat and the file name tech journey, we'll see that. Oh, sorry, .txt, I forgot that. We can see that everything will be uh, shown, or like, yeah, everything will come on the screen if we do cat on any file. And the next command is, suppose you want to move this file. Let's do the move item at last. Like I'll try to, there is a command head command is basically used to, like, if we do head tech journey dot txt, we will see that it will show some starting lines. It will showing till like exploration till this point and not the rest. It will show some of the starting lines
If we have a more lengthy blog or something, then it will show the starting lines that you can get an idea regarding that. Let's clear the screen. First, clear command is also a good command for clearing the screen. You can use it. And the next command, if you want to see the last items of uh, uh, here is a problem. You are saying that I am writing techjourney.txt again and again. What if I want to rename it? Because we do rename. I'll show the, let me first show you the, I showed you head. There is also tell command. See the tell command. Tell tech journey. You are seeing that I'm struggling so much with this long and long text file name, so I need to rename it. I'll do it later in the next command, I think. Tail techjourney.txt. It will what happened? Oh, T was capital, and this is the point that it is case sensitive, so you need to take care of that. It is showing the some of the last lines of the of my blog, which was on the techjourney.txt. Had happened, tell happened, we can clear the screen again. Okay, if we do ls, we have techjourney.txt and techjourney.txt. Basically the second one was created when we did the vim thing. This one, j capital, I think I created this one, but this one was created when we did the vim thing. If we write vim, sorry, vim abc dot txt, it will directly open the editor and create the abc.txt. If I type enter, the editor will be open. Here you can see that. Let's escape it, semicolon wq, enter. And if we like, we want to see the item, how can we do that? I told you, cat tech. I am seeing just which file has like my blog, and I'll delete every other. Cat techjourney.txt, this is one is. And if I do the j as capital, it will show nothing. So basically I have to delete two of files. ls, I have to delete this abc.txt and the tech journey where j is capital .txt. If I type rm abc.txt and enter, it will delete, it will remove the abc.txt. You can see by ls abc.txt is deleted. And if I do rm tech journey.txt, then that tag journey will be deleted. Here you can see that only one file is remaining. Let's clear the screen. The thing I was saying, I'm sorry, the thing I was saying is, this is a very long name. What if I want to edit it? For that you must understand copy and move. Let's make a directory under this EatandCode. How we create directory, I told you earlier, mkdir. And the directory name, let's give a small name, dir, say. Okay, if we do ls, here is a dir, which is blue is for folder in Ubuntu, and this is the txt file. Let's copy the txt file in the directory. How we do that? cp copy, cp stands for copy. Copy the which file? tech journey tech journey.txt to where? To dir. Tech journey, the T is small, I'm sorry for that. Yeah, if we ls, here is dir and tech journey. If we go under the dir, how we go? cd change directory dir, and if we do ls, we can see that here is a techjourney.txt file. Okay, if we want to move this file, how we move the file? We move it via mv command. Move to where? Okay, I also want to show you. If you want to go back, if you do cd dot dot, you'll go one step back. Enter. You are under the EatandCode. Previously you are under the dir file. Let's go again under the dir. Let's, okay, move it. Move what? Move tech journey dot txt to where? To the dot dot. Dot dot means previous. I'll explain this. Let's do move tech journey dot 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 means previous. Here you can see that sorry, nothing happened. How to do that? So basically it was moved, I think it is moved ls. Yes, we do ls, we can see that there are no tech journey. Previously when we did the ls command in the EatandCode, in the dir file, we saw that tech journey was there, but it isn't now. So basically it is moved. If we do cd dot means the current directory, we will remain there, and cd dot dot means in the previous directory, we go back. You can see this. And we do ls, the moved techjourney.txt should also be available. Let's see this. Tech journey.txt to the dir. If we do ls, there is only dir. If we do cd dir and then ls, then we can see techjourney.txt. It is moved. We did the cp thing, copy. We did the moved thing. What if I want to rename it? What if I want to rename the tech journey? Because it is so lengthy. Here is the catch. You cannot use rename or something like, I think what you do is you use move command only, and you give the old name. Okay, tech journey. Here I did ls and you saw that techjourney.txt is under the dir directory. But if we do tech journey.txt to tj, say, let's say t and j, tech journey.txt tj, short form, and enter, and then list, you can see that it is changed to tech journey, it is changed to tj.txt. Okay, this is basically for rename. Let's clear the screen. Let's see some more commands. You see the cat command, you see the many of commands are really covered. You saw the rename thing. We are under dir. Let's go back. If we go to cd and dir and to ls, here is tj.txt. What if we want to remove this? Should we remove this? Or yeah, let's remove the tj.txt. rm stands for remove. It is used for removing any file. Rm, we want to remove tj.txt, and we do ls, there is nothing. Go back, cd dot dot, I'm sorry, cd dot dot, we are under the dir. If we do ls, we have dir, if we do want to like remove a directory. Remove a directory, rmdir. We removed the directory. We want to remove like dir. Dir is the name of the directory, and rmdir is the command. If you do enter and do ls list, you can see that there are no dir directory now. There are some more basic commands. If you want to what if you want to see the calendar, if you type the date command, you will see the today is Monday 1 May 2023 9:59 and 12 seconds PM. IST stands for Indian Standard Time, where I live in India. And if do cal command, cal 2023, it stands for calendar, and 2023 is the year. You do enter, you get the calendar. Let's clear the screen once again. And if you want to see some processes going on, I think ps command, these are the processes. I showed you the ls command, but there is also a command. Let's go back again. Cd dot dot, we are under the, which is a present working directory. This is home and Prashant. If we do ls hyphen r, it will show the directories and all the subdirectories under it in a like recursive way. Like downloads has this file, and it and music pictures have this file and this directory, and pictures screenshots have this and this. Let's not disclose so much of my data. And cd, no, just clear the screen. Oh, one more command I want to tell is echo. You want to print anything, like you do in Python or something, you'll write print and the sentence, or any programming language you can write echo. And what something hi, no hi oyo, hi, hi, welcome, welcome to eat and code, and it will print this. This is cool. Thank you for this amazing video. Thank you for being with me. Let's give a bonus command, which is top, I think, and enter. And this is something you will tell me in the what, in the comment section. What is this? Search it, Google it, and try to answer it. This is a small task for you all, what I did with this top command. Okay, this is being updated and updated. This number is 33 and this become 37, and this 38. This will be updated and updated. Some times are showing. This is the task for you. What command is top? Please search it. And container it is running. Distance, it is from Kubernetes. I will cover it soon. Okay, thank you for the patience. Thank you for the video. And Okay guys, catch you in the